In this video, I will show you how to connect a soundbar to your LG Smart TV using an optical cable. And if you do not know how an optical cable looks like, it basically looks just like this over here. So this is basically how an optical cable looks like from one end to another. And now to connect any soundbar to your LG Smart TV using an optical cable, you want to make sure that your soundbar is first and foremost turned on and it is on optical cable mode. So you want to go ahead and change your soundbar mode until it is set to OPT, and as you can see over here, mine is on optical mode now. Now once this is done, you want to go ahead and look for the optical cable port on the back of your soundbar, and usually port is shaped as letter D, so you just want to go ahead and look for that port, or you can literally just look for any port that is labeled optical cable or OPT, and then just go ahead and plug one end of the optical cable to your soundbar. And then finally, you want to go ahead and plug the other end of your optical cable to your LG Smart TV. Now usually the optical cable port is found just below the bottom of your LG Smart TV or on the side of the back of the TV. So just go ahead and look for the port that is labeled optical cable or OPT, and then make sure that you plug this other end of the optical cable to the TV. And finally, once the cable is properly plugged to your soundbar and your LG Smart TV, the last thing you want to do is to go over to the settings of your LG Smart TV at the top right corner of the TV, or you can just go ahead and press on the settings icon on your remote control, and then you just want to scroll down the settings of your TV until you get to sound out over here. Click on it, and then go ahead and set optical cable plus TV if you actually want the sound from your TV and your soundbar at the same time. But if you want the sound to come just from your soundbar and not from the TV speakers, then you can just go ahead and navigate through these options over here, just like so, using your remote control until you get to the place where you have just optical cable. And over here we have optical cable devices, which will now make the sound to come only from the optical cable device and not from the TV as well. Now once this is done, you can now go over to the home of your LG Smart TV and start playing any sound from your TV, and trust me, it will start coming out from your soundbar through the optical cable. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.